Nedu, bring the food, eh?
Nedu, you want good?
I mean, you want the oracle to kill you.
Check.
Come on! Whatever you eat now, if you don't bring this in, you will die! Come on! Go back! Remove your slippers! Turn your back and walk into the shrine! Walk in! Lay down there! Lay down there! Lay down there! Open this! Drop everything I tell you! Where is the fresh pepper? Drop it! Drop it! Drop the fresh pepper! Where is the onions?
That they cut in.
Yes, that they cut in two sides. Good, drop it. Where is the ugu that they cut? Drop it. Where is the fresh tomato? Drop it there. Where is the garlic? Drop it there. Where is your banana? Drop it. Where is the tomato? Sachet tomato. Drop it there. The oracle are revealing to me. If you did not bring this thing now, you would have died. You would have died. Stand up. Put those things back into the plates. Now, you are going to go. But come back on Tuesday. You are going to bring a fowl that has a head like amber rose. You are going to bring a stockfish that have dreadlocks like a Valentine or a Dewa.
Stockfish.
Go now! Take it and go! Drop it with my assistant! The crocodile does not walk during the daytime without lipstick. The lion! Hey! Stop there! Go back! Keep quiet! Go back! Come back! Remove your shoe! Remove your shoe before the oracle will strike you now! Come back and walk in! Walk in here now! Walk in here now! Come and sit down here! Sit down here! How the oracle will strike you! Sit down here now! The oracle is speaking. The oracle is speaking. Hey! On Tuesday, you, Easy Beat, K-Solo, you are going to bring to the shrine or you will die. You are going to bring plantain chips. You are going to bring bole. You are going to bring dodo. You are going to bring granuts and 50 liters of fuel. Mommy, what are you having memory? We are going. We are coming back.